In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at creating a simple flashlight or torch in Unreal Engine 5. So firstly, let's go over to our first person character, and then we're going to go to the viewport and we're going to add a spotlight, like so. Now make sure this is attached to your camera. I'll move this up a bit just so it's in front of the camera. And we'll hit compile. Now we're going to go over to our event graph and we're going to set an event on a key press. In this case we'll use F, but you can use a different key if you'd like. Then on press we're going to get a flip-flop node. So this is going to toggle our flashlight on and off on every press. So firstly we will set visibility of our spotlight. So firstly we're going to want to set it to visible, and then on the second key press we're going to want to set it to not visible. So we'll compile that. We'll just go back over to our spotlight and we will uncheck visible. So initially it's not visible, and then when we press our key it will go to visible, then we'll press it again, it will go to not visible, and then it will carry on doing so. So if we go over to our level now and press play, if we hit the F key you can see the flashlight comes on, and then if we hit it again you can see it goes off. And that is it. That is how you create a simple flashlight system in Unreal Engine 5. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.